Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a get ready with me while I tell you why I stopped feeling to get ready and actually did the shit that was supposed to be done way before the time. You know that voice in your head that keeps telling you that I'll start when I feel ready? Yeah, that's the voice that you need to ignore. I kept listening to that voice for a very long time, and that's when I realized that I need to stop listening to it and start doing the shit that needs to be done. See, I learned this the hard way. When you say that you want to be ready when you are starting out, you are just saying that you never want to start. You are waiting for the right time when you feel right. You will never feel right when you are starting out because you never know where that journey will take you. You are not perfect at something when you are just starting out. When you are starting to learn the alphabets, do you think you learned it from your mother's womb? No. Your parents taught you that. Your teachers taught you that. You learn from your experiences. You can never start at perfection. I've said this before and I'll say it again, guys. Confidence comes after you start, not before that. Because you can never be confident at something that you are starting out for the first time, that you are trying for the first time. You can never be confident at that because you have never experienced that thing before. And guys, not to be rude, but nobody is really looking at you. Like, just for your knowledge, when you're starting out, nobody gives a damn what you are doing because nobody trusts you that much right now. Nobody thinks that you will actually get ahead of what you are trying to do. And that's why you need to prove them wrong, right? And if by any chance you have a doubt that you will look cringe, trust me, every content creator looked cringe when they started out. I mean, look at me. I was so cringe. Even right now, I think I am sometimes, but who gives a damn? Nobody really gives a trust me when I say this. And let me tell you one more thing, cringe is the new trend. Like, being cringe is exactly what gets you to the popularity and fame that you want. And you can always change your content once you become famous. I mean, you got the deals, you got the money, move on. It's literally as simple as that. And guys, I think that you might have heard this one thing a lot of times, but let me be the one to say it once again, that perfection kills momentum and authenticity builds it. And I'm not kidding when I say this. You cannot get momentum when you are trying to be perfect at everything. You can never be perfect at everything. And the earlier you understand that, the earlier you will be able to get success. See, the algorithm does not care if you are ready, it cares if you are consistent. So, if you do more and plan less, that's how you go viral. That's how you make content. That's how you keep your momentum up. That's how you actually go to the fame, like get the fame that you really want to have. Also, if you think that your fear will just go away one day with a snap like that, it will not. You just get louder and better in your confidence. You just inherit your confidence so much that your confidence becomes louder than your fear. That's it. Your fear never leaves you. So if you're someone who's still waiting to get ready, babe, you will never be ready. You'll be waiting forever. You need to start messy, you need to start scared, and you need to start now because that's how you become ready. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. I hope you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet, and see you all on the next one. Bye.